Hey there, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a delicious beans. Let's take a look at our ingredients. Ripe plantain, seasoning, spring onion, crayfish, two types of smoked fish, Titus and smoked stockfish. So first, we'll be steaming our tomatoes. Simply toast them for a few minutes before blending. Now I would love to hear from you. How do you cook your beans? Do you wash and parboil before the cooking proper, or you just pour them into the pot and parboil? Let's know in the comment section. For me, I wash my beans to remove any chaff, of course. Then I pour out the parboiled water before adding fresh pure water for the cooking proper. I prefer using pure water as it helps the beans cook faster. Now, let's fry our plantain. I'm using groundnut oil instead of palm oil to prevent overheating of our red oil. While our beans are cooking, let's prepare our sauce. But before then, let's settle the controversy between the compositions of beans, the protein and carbohydrate content of beans. Beans are a nutrient-rich food that contains both protein, carbohydrates, and fiber. On one hand, beans are considered an excellent source of dietary protein, containing about 20 to 25% of protein. And then, on the other hand, beans are also relatively high in carbohydrates, with about 60 to 70% of carbs per calorie. So this has led some to question whether beans are more of a carbohydrate source than a protein source. However, research suggests that the carbohydrate content of beans is actually beneficial, providing a good source of dietary fiber, including soluble, insoluble, and oligosaccharides. In fact, recent studies have shed more light on the nutritional content of beans. Beans that provide a balanced mix of protein and fiber, making them an excellent addition to a healthy diet. In terms of percentages, beans are 20 to 25% of total calories. Carbohydrates makes up the 60 to 70% of calories, and then fiber makes up 10 to 15% of calories. Overall, the controversy surrounding beans as a protein and carbohydrate source is largely unfounded. Beans are a nutrient-dense food that provides a balanced mix of protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. So back to our cooking. You're going to mix your sauce with already cooked, well-cooked beans, please. Well-cooked beans. As you can see, mine is very soft. And then you stir everything together. And yuppie, your beans is ready. Our delicious beans is ready. You can enjoy it with some shrimps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to try this recipe. Bye.